How to reset Steam games. So if you want to reset Steam games, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Steam application, go with Steam again, which is on the upper left, and then go with settings. Go with the storage, and under storage, you need to turn off the option of enable Steam Cloud. Once you've done this, now you need to go back and you need to go with the library section. Under library, you will have all of your games, right? So you just need to simply go with your game, right click on your game, and then you can go with properties section. Here, you need to go with install files and then go with browse, which is on the first option. Once you go with browse, it will take you to the location of that game. And after that, here you need to search something as save. And once you find the folder might be different in different games. So you just need to simply go with the folder of the games and you need to delete the saved folder. Once you've deleted, then it will reset the Steam game. But if you're not being able to find the folder, or if you're still facing the problem, then what you can do is just open up your browser, and on your browser you can just go with your Steam, open up your Steam on your browser, and here you can go with the game. And once you go with the games section, you will have the game, right? So once you go with the game, then you will have the game ID on the top of the search. You just need to simply go with the game ID. In my case, I don't have any games right here on the browser. So you just need to simply click on the game. Once you click on the game, you will have the ID of that game. You need to just copy the ID. Once you have the ID, then you just need to simply open up your file explorer and you need to go with this PC and local disk C. And here you need to find the program files, and under your program files you will have the Steam option. You just need to simply find the Steam, and under Steam you can go with user data, or you will have the Steam or Steam games, and from here you can just go with the ID. You can find the folder with the ID name and you can go and delete that folder. You will have that under your user data, so you need to find the user data folder. And under your user data, as you can see that you will have the IDs right here. So which means that you have your games. So if you want to reset the data, you just need to simply go with it and then you can just remove the game data. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.